Hey, Scentsy fanatics! Jackie Slaughterback, your independent Scentsy consultant here. So I just got in the mail the International Wax Collection and wanted to share with you how some of them smelled. Now, unfortunately, there is a link for these scents. The only one that is available is the first one that I'm going to show you, and that would be to order without using a Scentsy Club. All of these will still be available in the Scentsy Club for another 2 weeks, but to order them right now, they aren't available. So let's start with the Lucky Starfruit. It says this is a sunny pop of orange, apricot, and starfruit in a sweet wish come true. So it is a very fruity scent. I like the fruity scents in it. And that's the starfruit, Lucky Starfruit. There was 5 in this collection. There was the salted lavender, the Pacific Sandalwood, the Windsill Breeze, the Strawberry and Rock Melon, and then the Lucky Starfruit. Now, if you put together a club and order them, they will ship the first time immediately if you put it out for 3 months, and then you can go in and cancel it. So in theory, you are going to get them quickly. The second one is the Salted Lavender. This one is a classic English lavender, mingles with ocean minerals and timber wood for a salty twist on tradition. I mean, it's lavender. And both of our lavenders, French lavender and lavender cotton, are being discontinued. So you only have to the 30th to get those in there. Let's see, the Pacific Sandalwood. Pacific Sandalwood is a creamy vanilla cashmere and a cozy drift over an expansion of warm Pacific sandalwood. Now, if you like sandalwoods, like white sands and can't think of what else. This is a nice scent. Sandalwood is a nice scent. If you guys haven't figured out, I don't have my assistant with me today, so he will be very disappointed. The other day, he asked where I was, and Danielle had said, oh, she's with her Scentsy fanatics, and his comment was, without me? So I don't have him today, but I really wanted to bring these to you. The last one is Windsill Breeze. So this is fresh, clean breeze flutters through a crisp linen in a perfect spring moment. This is really nice. But I really like clothesline. So now this scent is actually going to come into the fall catalog starting in August in the laundry collection. So watch for that. Now, I saved my favorite for last, okay? And this one is Strawberry and Rock Melon, okay? Oh, it's a rock melon strawberry jam and a whisper of hibiscus shaped sunny fragrance sure to have your senses singing in tune. Don't you just love these descriptions they come up with? They're so cute. Oh my gosh, this one is already in my club. Oh, this is amazing. If you are a fruity lover, like your Camus, your Skinny Dippins, this is amazing. Your Bamboo Uzu, like I said, I have this in my club monthly now, so there you have it, the International Collection. I will flip it around so that you can see it one last time. If you have any questions about Scentsy Club or the offering for the international collection, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day and talk soon.